In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert a string to an array format using Power Automate Flow. If you're new to Power Automate or simply want to expand your automation toolkit, this simple guide will walk you through the process step by step. To start, let's launch Power Automate Desktop on your computer. This application is your base camp for creating flows that automate tasks, so make sure it's installed and ready to go. Once it's open, we'll begin by creating a new flow. Go ahead and find the New Flow button and click on it. You'll be prompted to provide a name for your flow. For this example, let's call it String to Array Flow. Once you've entered the name, click Create to establish your new workspace. Now that we've set up our flow, the next step is to initialize a string variable. In the Actions pane, search for Set Variable and drag this action into the main workspace. It's here that you'll define the string you want to convert. In the variable name field, type in input string. Over in the value field, you can enter your desired string. For illustration, let's use apple, orange, banana. This step is crucial because it sets the foundation for our string conversion process. With our string variable ready, it's time to add the action that converts it into a list. In the Actions pane, search for Text to List. Drag this into your workspace, positioning it neatly below the previous action. In the text field, you should select the input variable %input string %. The delimiter in this case will be a comma, so make sure to enter a comma in the delimiter field. Finally, for the list variable field, input-output array. This setup will tell Power Automate to take your string, split it at each comma, and store each piece in an array. Now that you've transformed the string into an array, let's look at how you can utilize this in subsequent actions. Say, for instance, you want to loop through each item in the array and display it. You'll want to add a For Each action. Drag this action into the main workspace. Under the Value to Iterate field, select %output array %. This sets up a loop to go through each element in your array. Inside the loop, we can further explore ways to process each item. For demonstration, let's display each item in a message box. Search for Display Message in the Actions pane, drag that into the loop. In the Message field, put %current item %. There you have it. Each item will show up in a message box one by one. Finally, you'll want to save and run the flow to see your work in action. Press Save to ensure your flow is securely stored. Then click Run to execute it. You should see message boxes popping up, each displaying an item from your array, and that's how you convert a string into an array with Power Automate. Enjoy automating.